Good day and welcome to section 2 of the Goldcheck practical videos. This presentation will highlight the monitor's activities at the end of the school day. At the end of the school day, the monitor's activities include recording homework on the Goldcheck report card, updating the Goldcheck report card with entries of occurrences during the day, checking if detention is due, 3 and more demerits warrants detention, and preparing the corrective action notice if detention is due. About an hour before the end of the day, the supervisor will announce it is time to record homework. Once the announcement is made, no scoring is allowed until the monitor has completed the tasks due in this time. Supervisor's flags, however, may fly. The student now determines if homework is due, requests a homework slip from the monitor if a homework book is not used, then indicates the desired homework on the homework slip or in the book, raises the monitor's flag to hand in the homework slip or book. The student also ensures that the goals are set correctly on the goal card where applicable for the next day, and calls the supervisor to adjust goals where needed. It is advised that the supervisor checks on envisaged homework to ascertain the progress of the student and to evaluate suitability and volume of homework requested. Students should not take maths and English for homework, rather that should be completed at school. Also, if the student takes too much homework, there is too much scoring to be done the next day, leading again to a large quantity of homework. Also ensure that students do not want to work past the school strip. Let's take a look at the student's goal card at the time that homework is being recorded. The student has completed page 12 in word building and scored it, and are thus going to take page 13 to 15 for homework. In science, there is a score strip on page 6. The student will then record science homework as page 5 to 6 and ask the supervisor to change the goal. The homework slip is filled in as follows: the name, the page is taken for homework per subject, Bible memory for the month. This is written in until the scripture has been said, and finally the day's date. The monitor reports the homework with an H under the science and under word building, and then indicates that the homework slip is due on Tuesday. After the recording was done, the monitor initials the homework slip or book to indicate that the homework was recorded and hands the homework slip or book back to the student. The monitor initials the homework slip and hands it back to the student. The student asks the supervisor to change the science goal. The supervisor crosses out page 8 and indicates page 6. The student adjusts the pages by rubbing out 4 and writing in 2 pages. The monitor ensures that all other events of the day are recorded on the Goldcheck report card. For example, demerits earned during the day, scripture said, oral report done, incidents that happened during the day. The monitor also completes a corrective action notice or detention slip if indicated and hands it to the supervisor. During the day, the student earned 3 demerits, which is now recorded by the monitor. The checkup was not signed by the supervisor. The student was talking without permission and out of their seat without permission. That earned them 3 demerits, which means a 20-minute detention is due, and the monitor then indicates that a detention slip is due for the next day. The student also set the scripture memorization during the day which may be recorded in this time or recorded the following morning. The monitor completes the detention slip by filling in the day's date, the name of the student, when they have to sit detention, and also for how long. Then the reason for that is given. So talking without permission, out of seat without permission, and other, which must be clearly indicated, so check up not signed. At the end of the school day, the monitor's activities include recording homework on the Gold Check report card, ensuring that the Gold Check report card is up to date by recording, for example, today's activities or the merits of the day, recording detention where applicable, completing corrective action notice or a detention slip, and handing the corrective action notice to the supervisor. Congratulations! You are now equipped to complete a Gold Check report card at the end of the day. Thank you for watching.